Guys, in this session, I'll guide you about the concept of public images in Google Cloud Platform. As you know guys, the public, custom and machine images are required in Google Cloud Platform for variety of reasons, including to create a new VM quickly and easily, to provide the consistency and reproducibility, to backup and restore VM and more. Guys, let's discuss what is public images in Google Cloud Platform. Public images are pre-configured, ready to use VM images provided by Google. They come with various operating system and software configuration, making them suitable for a wide range of use cases. Public images are provided and maintained by Google, open source communities and third-party vendors. They are available to all GCP users, can be used to create a new virtual VM. Public images are good choice for getting started with GCP or for running common applications such as web server, databases, development environment. Guys, public images are convenient for quickly deploying standard operating system and common software configuration without the need of manual setup. For example, a public image of Ubuntu operating system can be used to create a new VM that is running Ubuntu. Now I'll guide you why the public images are required in Google Cloud Platform. Public images Google Cloud Platform are required for a number of reasons, like to provide a convenient and easy way to create a new VM. Basically guys, the public images are pre-configured templates for creating new VMs, which can save the user time and effort. This is especially important when creating multiple VMs with same configuration. To ensure that the new VMs are created with the latest security patches and updates, public images are maintained by Google and other trusted sources, so user can be confident that they are using the latest and most secure images. And guys, to provide a variety of options for user to choose from, public images are available for a wide range of operating system and application, so user can find the images that is right for their needs. To reduce cost, guys, public images are often free or low cost, which can help user to reduce the cost of running their VM in Google Cloud Platform. Let's consider one real-time example so that you can easily understand it. A new GCP users might use the public image of Ubuntu operating system to create their fast VM. A developer might use a public image of a Java development environment to create a VM for developing their Java application. Another example guys, like a company might use a public image of a web server application to create a VM for hosting their website. Guys, public images are essential part of GCP ecosystem. They provide a convenient, secure and cost-effective way for user to create and manage their VMs. Public images are also required for a certain GCP feature such as Kubernetes engine, Cloud Run, Cloud Function and more. Kubernetes engine allows user to run their containerized application in a managed Kubernetes service. Public images can be used to create the container images that are used in Kubernetes engine application. Cloud Run requires user to deploy their code as a container image. Public images can be used to create a container images for Cloud Run application. Cloud Function require user to deploy their code as a function image. Public images can be used to create a function images for Cloud Function application. Now guys, I hope so you can understand what is public image in Google Cloud Platform. Why is it required in GCP?